Hey people, welcome back. It's your boy Big Smooth once again down here at Frank Myers Auto Maxx on this beautiful Thursday. Okay, I got some special guests in the building. This is Mr. David, this is Miss Margaret. Y'all say hey to the people. Hey! They came down looking for a nice new ride, and that's exactly what they got, okay? Mr. David, tell the world what you're taking home today, sir.
I got me a 2014 Volkswagen Jetta.
Woo! A beautiful vehicle, great transportation back and forth, just like he needed. He said he wanted to upgrade and he got one, okay? Now, Miss Margaret, tell the world how y'all experience was while y'all was here with us.
Awesome, 2 thumbs up.
Mr. David?
It was pretty good, pretty quick, excellent staff.
Hey, you heard them, people. If you want an excellent experience, come down to Frank Myers, see Big Smooth, especially the same will happen for you, okay? Now, on the count of 3, we're going to go into the family right behind you, if you will. I got a count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. Hey people, you can do the same thing. Come see me. That's 336-397-1444. There you have it. And we're out.